Hey guys, good morning. This is 11:34 right now, and I've been up for a while. Actually, I overslept tonight. Last night, I slept last night at about 15 minutes past midnight, and I woke up at 9. Damn it! The alarm was at 8 going, so that was 8 hours 5 minutes alarm because I wanted to complete my sleep, which I think was had not been completed for a while. So I had already set an alarm for 8 hours 5 minutes, but I slept about 8 hours 40 minutes and really deep sleep, and I'm happy about that because sleep is really important. The days when I sleep well, I feel better if I've slept really good the night before. Sleep is really important. Just remember that sleep is really important. It's important for you as well. Some animals find a way to complete their sleep, right? Like you may have seen dogs and cows and whatever lying on the streets, and they just always manage to complete their sleep. But humans, we find it hard, because of a variety of reasons, because of not exhausted enough, being exhausted too much, not eating dinner at the right time, having coffee at the wrong time, being stressed, having too much to do, having too less to do. Uh, so figure out, I have somehow over the last few months I've really worked on my sleep like methodically, and found ways to fix my sleep. I have a night routine now, which is very important. I don't drink coffee for several 8-9 hours before bed. I eat dinner on time. I try not to stress out about anything because I shouldn't be alive, and I got that tattooed on my body. So yeah, so work on your sleep. Yesterday when my pathology report came, and I put that in ChatGPT. ChatGPT said it's overall an excellent report, and there are a few markers here and there which are a bit off, but nothing to be worried about. And it did say one of the things that you need to focus on going forward is to protect your sleep, and I'm going to do that. My evening is a bit fucked up right now because of some administrative bullshit that I need to attend to, and I booked some really nice gym sessions in the evening, fusion dance class and upper body. But I'll have to let go of that because it's some bullshit is now. So not happy with that. I should kind of say, what I'm happy about, what not happy about. Because that's all that I'm trying to do. This vlog is rightfully called the pursuit of happiness. Because that's what my life is. That's what your life is as well. Right? So you should also be conscious about what's making you happy and what's making you sad. Because remember that song, this beautiful song from Shah Rukh Khan and Alia Bhatt's movie. I forget the name of the movie all the time. And the song starts with these beautiful lines. Jo dil se lage, usse keh do hi, 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 hi. Jo dil na lage, usse keh do bye, 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 bye. Okay guys, so whatever time you're watching this vlog, remember that Amar wants you to be happy. I'll keep saying that all the time. I want you to be happy. I want everybody who's connected to my life, in my life, to be happy. Okay, so work on your happiness, please. It's one life. We're all gonna die. Keep doing things that make you happy, and keep running away from things and people that make you happy. Listen guys, whoever you are, wherever you live in this world, okay, as long your mom's there, your mom's alive, and she's cooking food for you, she's taking care of you, she's looking after you, she's thinking about you, she's obsessed with you. Your mom is obsessed with you, alright, no matter who you are, okay. Just ensure that she is your top priority in your life. Your dad as well, right? He's also obsessed with you. We won't make as many calls, but he's also obsessed with you. Your parents should be your top priority in your life as long as they're alive, and you should do everything, whatever you can, to ensure they live as long as possible. If you fuck with them, you fuck. This is a famous KDR shop of Old Gurgaon.
new colony, and it is always as congested as ever. He's never renovated it. He's never taken more branches, but it's been the same like for like 20 years, 25 years. I've been. He's made a lot of money here, but never expanded. Hey guys, good evening from this side, right? I don't know what time you watched this, but this is about 8 o'clock right now, 8 something, and I'm not sure the show is happening tonight because again it's same situation as yesterday. There are 2 tickets online, so they'll try to sell some offline. Yesterday also there are 2 tickets till 9:15, and they sold like 5 or 7 tickets offline. So the show happened because of offline tickets. It might just happen today the same way. So I'm just walking for a while and waiting till the show confirms, right? Because we can't do the show in 2 tickets. So if they happen to sell some offline tickets, the show will happen. Otherwise, it will not happen. I went to Old Gurgaon again today because I had to go to the court. I had to also go to my home, right? So I went there and I've driven a lot, right? I drove like 40-50 kilometers, and now I'm here. I'm supposed to still review some couple of videos which need to go for editing, which I'll do, and I'm just walking right now because I need to kill time. Also I need to like complete my weekly walk. I'm still over target right now, but since I had a samosa, I need to walk a lot to fucking digest it, and it's become very hard to walk in the Galleria market because there's so many people fucking all the time around here, and I have to go left and right to not bang into people. But it's very crowded all the time. It's become very difficult to walk here any day of the week. So it's Thursday, but still there are a lot of people here. Anyway, so I'm walking for a while. After that, if the show is happening, I'll hit Guptagu, and then I also have theatre tonight. So two shows. Hopefully both happen. I love the stage. It heals me, right? And makes me happy, not just heals me. So let's see if that happens. Cool. Hey guys, this is a very early day review because it's just 10:15, but I've gotten free because I had a 9 PM spot today, and one show got cancelled and the other show spot was early. So I haven't had my dinner, so I'm gonna go and eat something at home. I hit the gym in the morning today, the self-workout gym. I didn't do a group class today. But I did the self-workout gym. I did upper body. I did chest presses, about 55 kilos chest press, bench press, and I did shoulders. So upper body, proper upper body workout. A lot of the day was administrative, so I don't want to talk about administrative shit. I drove a lot around the town. Went to Old Gurgaon, came back. Had a samosa after like the whole year. I don't think I've had a samosa in a long while, but I allowed myself a samosa today. So that was the novelty of the day. The show's over, the weather is pleasant. I'm gonna go home and have some food because I'm hungry now. I've walked already about 15,000 steps for the day, so I'm doing pretty well for my target of 105k steps for the week. So yeah, I hope you're feeling happy. Remember, every time I want to say this, as much as I remember, Amar wants you to be happy. Do whatever the fuck you need to be happy. Bye, good night. Hey guys, so I generally don't record videos or post after I do the day review, but since I have time today, right? So I've been collecting comments and compliments from people since the beginning of this year. That's one exercise I'm doing now. Because it makes me feel good about myself and my life. Sometimes when I'm not in a good mood, I read those comments, right? And you should also do it because it's very easy to be negative about life, right? Negative is our usual state somehow because that's how we are bred, right? Most of us somehow, that's how, I mean, parenting or whatever culture teaches us, you know, it just makes us automatically negative. So this is one exercise you can do to feel positive about your life, and I've been doing it. I've collected 150 compliments, right, or comments, right, since the beginning of the year. Stuff people have said which I enjoyed or want to read again. I collected 151 comments right now, and today also I just collected one, right? I was in the show, and this guy Aryan, he manages comedy theatre with Azhar, and he looked at me and he said, अमर भाई आप Gen Z से भी ज़्यादा Gen Z लगते हो. What a sweet thing to say, and of course he's a sweet guy. So do that, right? It makes you feel good about life. Collect positive stuff. Okay, bye.